We on vacay mode.
Hey Vacay family, it's Shawn.
And this is Casey.
And we're on vacay mode. How you guys been doing? Hope everything's all good. You know, every time we go on a cruise, there's always extra things to pack. And I noticed that there's a lot of small things that we always forget to bring. So I want to share some of these things with you guys. But please don't forget to subscribe below so you can keep up with our latest travel news, tips, and cruise.
And guess what? We did have a new little segment called Pop-Up Deal Travel. So we're, you know what I'm saying, don't forget, if you're new to our channel, if you're new here, see these beautiful faces, don't forget to, you know, subscribe below. And don't forget to ding the bell. So when we pop in, you know, to give you all some great travel tips and cheap deals, you know, you'll be definitely informed and aware.
And we definitely don't want you guys to miss our live stream on Sunday, live travel trivia. So make sure you ding that bell.
All right, all my gamers, hey, we're going to have some good time on a Sunday. Travel trivia.
So anyway, so these are some of the things. I know I always forget to bring them. So one thing that you definitely want to bring is a highlighter. And the reason why you're thinking like, oh, highlighter on a cruise, well, you know, they always give you all these itineraries every single day on the cruise, and there's so many activities to do while you're on the cruise. You can do, I don't know, from shopping to going to the liquor store, like everything is written down. Playing trivia, you know, something that we definitely like to do, watching shows and all this stuff. So what I like to do is have a highlighter so I can highlight and see what's going on throughout the day. And you know, it's a really helpful thing to have on hand. The next things we like to bring is small bills. And you'll be surprised. You probably think like, well, I'm a cruise, you know, I'm going to be using my ship card. Everything is pretty much paid for. Why do I need small bills? Well, I mean, you definitely want to tip your steward while you're there.
And maybe you also too your bartender. Say for instance, you go up to the bar, you know, and tip them because they may give you a free drink. So you gotta definitely think about that. Or even when you're getting off the ship, stuff like that, small bills are real good to have because for safety reasons as well.
Yeah, so you can use them while you're on excursions, or maybe you just want to buy a souvenir, or maybe you're taking a taxi or a cab somewhere and you just want to tip somebody, or you have little small bills to, you know, to do your exchange of what you want to do.
Yeah, so try not to, you know, have large bills because if you know, if you get robbed, or I'm sorry I had to bring that up, or you know, or somebody steals something or you lose something, oh, that's all your money, you know. So you want to make sure you keep, you know, some of it put away, you know, and have just small bills like 1s and 5s, and so you won't get somewhere and have to, you know, break 100, and then, you know, people all in your business. So be careful of that.
Yeah, and I definitely personally like to tip my room steward because, you know, they make me those special towels, design monkey, and I like to do that. So something else that you definitely want to have, and this is a big one on my list, and that's air freshener. And we know when we're in a cabin, sometimes it's small, the ventilation is not really that good. So, you know, when I go on excursion sometime, I come back, sorry to say, but my feet might be a little stinky. You know, I can spray it up, freshen it up there.
Look, I'm keeping it real. Them tight quarters, going to the bathroom, hey, it's the door to the bed. So, hey, spray the room up. You know, hey, everybody pass gas. I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? Bring some air freshener in your room.
Definitely.
Oh, and also, too, don't forget to bring a Lysol spray, Lysol wipes to wipe down things, too. You know, so wipe down your handle, wipe the toilet. I know, you know, the stewards, you know, do a good job, but, you know, just safety, you know, get the ones that smell good, the lemon kind.
Yeah, because it'll keep your room smelling fresh and clean while you're there, so that's definitely a bring. Something else that I like to bring is ship shoes. And what I mean by ship shoes, not necessarily has to be ship shoes itself. It could be like flip-flops or something.
Sandals.
Yeah, because every now and then I just like to, maybe I'm laying down like, ooh, I'm feeling like I want something quick to eat. I just slip them on real quick and head upstairs, you know, grab something to eat real quick and come back. So I don't have to literally like put tennis shoes on and, you know, take all day just to run up there and come back down to my room real quick. So that's something that I definitely like to bring when I'm on a cruise, some ship shoes. The next thing is, well, I know Casey likes to play dominoes while he's on the cruise and stuff like that. So something that I would say to bring is some cards or any kind of board games or games that you like, because sometimes you might just be hanging around poolside and maybe you're not interested in any of the activity that's going on, but you just want to chill and do something that you like to play. It can be Uno, it can be Monopoly, you know, dominoes, whatever it is that you like. So definitely bring some cards or some games with you, and you can always have fun with your friends. It'll help you pass some of the time, especially on the sea days when you're just like watching the ocean, you know. It will help pass that time.
And most of the ships, they always in the library area, they have a game room. Game where they have board games and stuff like that as well. So if you don't want to bring anything, you definitely can go over there, you know what I'm saying, and get some board games to play with the kids or just whoever's in your group, dominoes, checkers, you know, so Connect Four or whatever it is. It's always good to have. And if you do want to bring travel size games, you know, nothing big, you know what I'm saying, it's going to be big and bulky, just, you know, cards, Uno, Phase 10, you know, a few games like that. Some people like playing Pinochle, you know, car games, it's endless. You know, you can do I Declare War, and hey, for those old school fish, let's go fish.
And I found it to be very helpful on disembarkation day, because you know, you gotta sit and you're waiting to get off, and it helps to burn some time while you're just sitting around, especially that I Declare War game. Yeah. So definitely you want to bring. So I hope these things were helpful for you guys. You know, I want you to make sure you pack all the little knickknacks that sometimes we just kind of overlook, and we be like, man, we get on a cruise, like, I wish I would have thought about bringing that stuff. So this is some of the things that we like to take when we go on a cruise. So.
And if you're new here, like I said, we always do these pop-up travel deals. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You know, and don't forget to ding the notification bell. The notification bell, you know, will definitely let you know when we jump in and give you these great little travel deals. You know, we on hotels, resorts, flight deals and stuff like that. We give you the best deals possible, especially those cheap deals and those last minute cruises. You know, because, you know, I know y'all be ready to jump on the next trip. So we stay tuned and, you know, definitely click that bell to be notified.
Yeah, because there's always a deal going on. That's the only way that you're going to be notified. And I know we do the live Sunday travel trivia, but we also pop in and out all the time. So definitely go ahead and click the bell, subscribe, and like. I'm Shawn.
This is KC, and see you on Vacay mode.
Bye now.